We have a lot of bags. Like he is carrying 4 bags. I am carrying, yeah, I am also carrying 4 bags. Yeah, it's very tough to carry so many bags, but it's okay that the railway station is quite empty because of the corona, and precautions are taken very seriously here in Jaipur. And I'm happy that it's clean. Actually, it's totally clean. You guys can see that's my brother. We are here. We are here. People are taking everything very seriously here, like precautions and stuff, and all the things. God. So as I was talking to you guys about the station, it is quite clean. Let me tell you. I guess this is my first trip. I guess after 15 years, I may say 15 or 16. I was quite small when my whole family and my father took us to Agra, and we came back to Delhi by train. And I was very small at that time. And yeah, it's like 2021, and now it's very long time that I'm traveling in train. I don't know how the journey will go from Jaipur to Delhi. Yeah, and yeah, I can hear train voice. It's 8:30. Our train is at 8:45. 8:43. 8:43. And it's not that cold here, but although my mother warned us to like wear a lot of clothes because it's too cold in Delhi. And yeah, I'm very happy that I'm going home, but I guess I wasn't feeling that much of homesick in Jaipur. Also, my brother stays here in Jaipur. He has a job in Jaipur, and I have been today I completed like 2 months with him staying in Jaipur, and I wasn't feeling that much of homesickness. But yeah, now I miss Delhi too. I'm gonna miss Jaipur also. Jaipur was fun. This trip was really very good. I enjoyed a lot. I stayed with my brother. This was something very special because me and my brother were only staying together for 2 months, and it was really fun. My brother was feeling a little bit low. He was saying that, will you come back or not? And I was like, yeah, I guess I will. He's gonna be missing me so much. Yeah, I'm gonna miss him too. Let's see to it. If the college doesn't get opened, then too I will come back, I guess. What will I do in Delhi also? I was happy in Jaipur too. I guess Jaipur was amazing because Delhi is too cold right now, very cold right now. And Jaipur was a fun trip just because of the sun. It was not that much of cold in Jaipur, but it was a little bit. It was cold at night, but in afternoons, so hot in Jaipur. So yeah, let's see now. I guess my train will come soon. So I'll talk to you later. Bye. Yeah, we are in the train now, and it's little bit crowded here. It is actually crowded, but the good part is that everyone is taking all the precautions and all that stuff. And I have sanitized my seat properly because scared to get COVID. I don't want to get COVID first of all, so I have sanitized my seat properly. So yeah, also I have sanitized my hands using this sanitizer, and it says that it is 70% alcohol formula, and it's non-sticky stick hand cleaning gel. देयर इज़ अ मेस एक्चुअली. हमारा आधा सामान यहाँ है एंड आधा सामान वहाँ है जहाँ हम बैठे हुए थे पहले, एंड दैट वाज इन आवर सीट. टिकट चेकर एंड ही वाज लाइक यू विल गेट फाइन फॉर 700 रुपीज़ इफ़ यू विल नॉट चेंज योर सीट. एंड लकीली तभी एक स्टॉप आया सिर्फ 1 मिनट के लिए, एंड वी चेंज्ड आवर सीट. बट आधा सामान लाइक आवर 3 bags आर स्टिल इन दैट प्लेस, and I'm very scared because one of the bags is my like whole clothes and makeup bag, and I don't know what is going to happen. Some of our bags are here, and right now it's 9:40 and 10 बजे एक जगह ट्रेन रुकेगी 5 मिनट के लिए. In those 5 minutes I just have to quickly bring my bag back. I knew कि ये भी हो सकता है, but of course we are traveling for the first time in the train, so एक बारी का तो रहता ही है एक्सपीरियंस. Basically, my brother is in backside and मैं यहाँ आ गया हूँ बहुत सारे सामान के साथ. He took all our 3 bags. Thankfully, bags weren't lost. They were on their places only. Train will stop at 10:20 for 2 minutes, and then my brother will come in this cube. So yeah, I'm waiting for him. Let's see. I'm very scared. Yeah, I don't think this traveling thing in train is going very good for me. Like till now, the journey has been a challenge for me. So let's see. Again, the train has stopped on Wadi Junction, and it's quite sunny right now here, and it's beautiful. It's nice. I guess अभी train की journey जो चल रही है वो अच्छी चल रही है, and I hope कि आगे भी जो जाए वो अच्छी जाए. I'll show you the platform. See, it's empty. So I bought some snacks for myself. Bikaji chips, cream and onion, creamy potato chips. You know, if you're traveling, you need something to eat. You need snacks. It's a short story, I'll tell you. My brothers actually bought snacks for the route 2 days back, and yesterday my cousin brother ate the kurkure packet, and day before yesterday I ate the kurkure popcorns, and that's why we don't have any snacks for the route. But I just bought this, and I'm very hungry right now. I had my breakfast at 7 o'clock, and now I'm hungry because it's 12 o'clock. I guess just 1 hour before I reach my destination, which is the Delhi Cant. I'll catch you guys then when I'll reach the Delhi railway station. Just reached Delhi, and it's on this right now. Middle of a traffic, and feel like I'm home, and I am. So I'm very tired, and I'm gonna go home and talk to you later then, because I really want to just make myself a little bit relaxed right now. That's why I'll reach home and I'll talk to you guys. Hey you guys, how are you all? And I'm recording this video without my mic. I don't know, the voice will be different, I guess. So yeah, I came home around 3:30, and then I slept for some hours because I was very tired. I woke up at 6 o'clock today, and now I'm just sitting in my bedroom, and I'm just looking at the place where I have to just put off all my stuff back. So I'm gonna show you right now how messy it is actually, and also I'm gonna show you what bag actually I took with me, and I'll show you that how I'm gonna place my makeup and stuff. I have to put all these things onto their places today only, because from tomorrow I have a lot of things to do. I have to edit the videos, of course, quickly, so that you can have the videos till Friday to watch. Also, I guess I'm going to go onto my nanny's house on Sunday, so maybe I won't have time on Sunday, and I have to record that also. And after that, on Monday I have to go to Essence, so I won't have time for after that also. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna give the day so that body can relax properly. Also tomorrow I'm gonna do a little bit of small spa type, because my face needs a little bit hydration. I'm breaking out a lot, I don't know why. And yeah, so let's see what will happen. Right now I would like to show you the place where I keep my makeup actually. So this is the place where I keep my makeup. This is a kind of a box only. Okay, it has two shelves. This is the one and this is the second one. Please ignore the messed part. I have only done that actually. I had just one day to pack my bags for Jaipur and I just put all the stuff like that only, and I wanted to pack my bags as quickly as I can. So now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna keep my makeup bag, which was gone with me. So it's quite big actually. It's a sky bag, very big bag. I have a lot of stuff. Like these are my college files which I really need because college is going to start soon. School and college stuff. These are all the clothes. All winter clothes were with me. I have a lot of makeup stuff here. Then I have a lot of stuff here. Then I have a lot of stuff here also. Now let me just open it. Okay. First of all, I'm going to set that place so that I can just know where I have to put the products. So yeah. दिखने में तो ये मैसी लग रहा है बट है नहीं, ये बहुत जल्दी क्लीन हो जाएगा क्योंकि एक बार ही मैंने सामान रखना स्टार्ट किया तो देन तो आई डोंट स्टॉप इजीली, तब तक वो रख नहीं देती मैं. एंड ऑल्सो आई नो कि सामान कौन सा कहाँ जाता है, तो आई एम वेरी क्विक एट दैट. आई वांट टू शो यू दिस खादीज मिक्स फ्रूट सोप एंड आई हैव द खादीज स्ट्रॉबेरी सोप. आई विल शो यू राइट नाउ. बट मुझे इसकी स्मेल ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं लगी, बहुत मिक्स्ड फ्लेवर वाली है, लेकिन मेरे पास जो स्ट्रॉबेरी वाला है वो अच्छा है. ये मेरे शायद डैड लाए हैं मेरे लिए, बट उन्हें पता नहीं है कि शायद मैं ये वाला यूज़ नहीं करती, तो आई गिव इट टू समवन, आई गेस टू माई ब्रदर ओनली. कज़न ब्रदर जो है मेरा, उसे बहुत पसंद है खादी का ये सोप, तो मैं उसे ही दे दूँगी. आई शो यू माई स्ट्रॉबेरी वन. ओके, इसको यहाँ रखते हैं. प्लम्प के प्रोडक्ट्स थे, मैंने यूज़ कर लिए बट मैंने रिव्यू नहीं करे. बायोडर्मा का रिव्यू अगर आपने मेरा नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ चेक इट आउट. लिंक्स आपको यहाँ मिल जाएंगे. ये प्लम्स के जो प्रोडक्ट्स थे मेरे को इतने अच्छे नहीं लगे एंड मैंने यूज़ करते करते छोड़ दिया करना एक्चुअली. तो या दिस इज़ माय ट्यूशन कप 10x का, जिसको मैंने अपना एक होल्डर बना रखा है, ब्रश होल्डर. बहुत अच्छा है ये, मेरे ब्रशेस सारे इसमें आ जाते हैं. सो या अभी पहले मैंने सामान सारा ही निकाल दिया है. दीज इयररिंग्स टर्न्ड बैड एक्चुअली क्योंकि इसमें जंक लग गया है, तो आई एम गोना थ्रो इट. आई एम गोना थ्रो ऑल द जंक टुडे बिकॉज उस दिन तो टाइम नहीं था, आज तो टाइम है, तो आई कैन डू दैट टुडे. सो या लेट्स कीप डूइंग इट. दिस इज अ दिया. पता नहीं मेरी माँ ने क्यों रखा हुआ है, मुझे नहीं पता, बट शी विल यूज इट सम और द अदर डे एंड इफ शी विल नॉट गेट दिस शी इज गोना किल मी. ये खत्म होने वाला है वेट एंड वाइल्ड का फोटो फोकस सेटिंग स्प्रे एंड अच्छा है बट मैं नया लूँगी. Oh, let me show you the products first of all, then I'll keep them and at the end when the products are placed properly I'll show you that कौन सा सामान कहाँ लगाया है, जिसमें मुझे एक्चुअली 5-10 मिनट लगेंगे बट वो मैं आपको शो नहीं करूँगी. दैट विल बी द फास्ट फॉरवर्डेड पार्ट. प्रोडक्ट सेफली हैं, बहुत तरीके से मैंने रखे थे बैग में. हर एक प्रोडक्ट के बीच में कपड़े रख दिए थे जिससे कि इन्हें कुछ हो ना. एंड स्पेशली मैं पैलेट्स का दिखा देती हूँ. मैंने ये डी मार्ट से लिया था जयपुर में, ये पाउच जिसमें मेरे 4 पैलेट्स हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े. आई गेस आई कैन शो यू. दीज आर द 4 पैलेट्स. ओके, मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन. एंड ये शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स का फेस पैलेट है, ब्लश हाइलाइटर वाला, जो कि मैं यूजुअली अपने हर वीडियो में यूज़ करती हूँ. यू कैन सी माई प्रोडक्ट्स आर सेफ. ये मैंने किया था, डोंट थिंक ये ख़राब हुआ है. माई ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आर सेफ. तो मैं इसे इसी में डाल के एंड इसको भी इसी में डाल के इस पाउच में फटाफट से प्लेसेस पे लगा देती हूँ. ये पाउच में मैंने एक्चुअली सारे ब्रशेस रखे थे, मैं इनको इनके स्टैंड में लगा दूंगी. दे आर ऑल क्लीन. एक्चुअली मैं वहाँ से सारे क्लीन करके लाई थी क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि यहाँ मुझे बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिलने वाला है इनको क्लीन करने का. एंड आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ प्लेस्ड हियर in this cup. I have small earbuds just because I need them अगर मेरा eyeliner खराब हो जाए. Then I have kept all the brushes in here. आई हैव बंच ऑफ ब्रशेज जिसमें से मैं कहीं यूज़ भी नहीं करती हूँ. मैं इन्हें कितनी फ्री टाइम में एक्चुअली हटाऊंगी क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत सोचना पड़ेगा कि ये कभी यूज़ होगा भी या नहीं, क्योंकि मैं कभी कभी सोचती थी कि मेरे पास ज़्यादा ही ब्रशेज हैं एंड मैं वो शायद कभी यूज़ नहीं करूँगी. बट इस बारी जयपुर की जर्नी में मुझे पता चल गया कि नहीं, मैं अपने ब्रशेज नहीं थ्रो कर सकती ऐसे, मुझे ज़रूरत पड़ती है बिकॉज मैं हर बारी क्लीन कर देती हूँ बट स्टिल आई नीड ब्रशेज बिकॉज आई नीड टू मेक माई मेकअप करेक्ट एंड उसके लिए मेरे को न्यू ब्रशेज की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. दिस इज़ माई आईब्रो पेंसिल, ये भी इसमें जाती है एंड दिस इज़ माई आई काजल, सो ये भी इसी में रख देती हूँ मैं. ऑल दी pencils and kajals and brushes goes in here in this cup. And yeah, अच्छा cup है ये, 10x का मेरे पास है. So yeah, just wait. अभी तो इसमें इतना सामान जाएगा कि रख भी नहीं पाऊंगी मैं ये सब चीजें ना, फिट नहीं होता है. ये जो मेरा आईलाइनर है ये मैं थ्रो कर रही हूँ. आई डोंट नीड दिस एनी मोर. एंड ये मेरा ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है, इसकी स्पेस हम बाद में देखेंगे. ये कलाबाग का ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है, बहुत अच्छा ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है एक्चुअली. अब इसमें मेरे सिर्फ हेयर पिन्स हैं, तो मैं अपने हेयर पिन्स वगैरह एंड रबर बैंड्स इसी में रख दूंगी. ये मेरे एथनिक इयरिंग्स है जो बड़े बड़े हैं, झुमकीज एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. तो मैंने उनका एक अलग वो बना रखा है. ये वेस्टर्न इयरिंग्स है जो मैंने लास्ट टाइम अपने बर्थडे पे पहने थे. आई रियली लव दीज इयरिंग्स एंड यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दे आर. आई बॉट देम फ्रॉम सरोजिनी नगर एज आई टोल्ड यू. अभी तक खराब नहीं हुए हैं. यू कैन सी, टच वुड एक्चुअली खराब ना हो. मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं ये. मेरी यूजुअली हर वेस्टर्न ड्रेस पे चले जाते हैं एंड आई लव देम. एंड मैंने बहुत अच्छे से रखना पसंद करती हूँ क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि ये टूटे और ख़राब हो. तो यार सबसे पहले तो मैं अपनी ज्वेलरी को ठीक करूँ. This is the Khadi strawberry soap which I was talking about. See how cute packaging it is, and it's a transparent packaging. Smell is so amazing. खाली कर दिया है bag, as you can see. Oh my god, I have bought so much stuff. These all are my clothes, and yeah, that's my panda cap. That's my whole hair and body care products. So yeah, I'll just set them up. I have set all my makeup products there, and I can show you guys what all I have done. As you guys can see, okay, I have on my flash, that's why you can see it's quite dark inside here. I'll show you guys. This is the bag where I have kept all my eyeshadow palettes. That's a container which I have kept so that I can use it later. These all are my lip balm setting powder. That's Swiss Beauty setting powder. I really like that setting powder a lot. And here I have my beauty blender in this pouch, and my comb and my hair products. This is the Color Bar hamper which I got. If you haven't checked out the products which I got, you can check it out. Here will be the links. This is the pouch where I have kept all my highlighters and face products, especially foundations. This is the pouch where I have kept all my lipsticks. This is a Malio highlighter. I just kept it like I will use it later. This is a Plump sanitizer. I showed you in the morning only. This is my perfume. These are all my clean brushes and eye products. And these are my Nykaa lashes. This is an empty container. I have to fill this tea tree oil for my best friend. She wants that. This is just my clutcher. Now at the bottom part, I have just put the products just like that because some of the products are from like my home products. Like these, you can see these are medicines. As you can see, these are lakh ki chudiya. Here I cannot show you because it's little bit dark here, and I have kept my flashlight on from this phone, as you can see. So yeah, that's my Mang Tika and earring, total ethnic. And yeah, I got this bag free from the Plump products which I bought actually. These are my ethnic earrings, these are my just bangles and some earrings, and below that I have all my jewelry. These are known as lakh ki chudiya. I have kept chudis in this also, and this contains velvet black bangles, and this pouch contains some of my hair bands, and this, I don't know you can see or not, this also contains some bangles of mine. So yeah, all the things are messed up and I don't remember what I have put in this pouch, but all the products are important actually. it's quite late right now, so I'm gonna quickly just keep my clothes inside. I'll just set them up because it's very late. It's around 10 o'clock and I have to do my dinner. I'm very tired actually, so I'm gonna keep my clothes. This is an almirah basically. That's my mother's clothes. These are my bags. Each and every bag I have inside this particular bag, so I'll quickly keep my clothes inside this. Guys, good morning, and it's 23rd of Jan. एक्चुअली मैंने कल रात को आपसे बात नहीं करी थी जस्ट बिकॉज आई स्लेप्ट एंड मैंने अपने कपड़े ऐसी अलमारी में डाल दिए थे क्योंकि 10 बज चुके थे, मुझे खाना भी खाना था एंड आई वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टायर्ड एक्चुअली, दैट्स वाई मैंने आप लोगों से बात नहीं करी. बट अभी मैं सारा सेटिंग कर रही हूँ. सबसे पहले अपनी अलमीरा लगा रही हूँ, तो मैं लगाने के बाद आपसे बात करती हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टास्क टू डू टुडे एंड या आई विल कैच यू गाइस लेटर.